Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but wanted to do a really quick unboxing of a Loewe bag that I got while I was in Madrid. And when you visit Madrid, I feel like you have to go to Casa Loewe. So I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to get, but I know I wanted to get something, and this is one of the bigger items that I got, and it was kind of a surprise. Usually I do my research, but I just kind of wanted to see what was there. And I ended up getting a puzzle tote bag. So this is the seasonal collection. This is with Louis Wayne, the Futurist Cat Medium Tote, the puzzle fold. So it opens like this. It's in like a gray taupe color, and then you can see that the one of the reasons why I also like this is that these leather pieces are all separate, so they're cut separate and then they're sewn or glued back in. They also have another style. It was the extra large one. It's all brown and it had the small cat motifs, but I think those are printed. I like that color combination as well, but it was just way too big. This one was a pretty good size that I feel like I would actually use. So there's the bottom. So the orange part feels like it's either suede or nubuck. The green part I think is the same leather. So this is Napa leather. It has the silver foil stamp there, and then just inside is just the backside of the leather, so suede. Just like with, I'm pretty sure this is the same as all of their puzzle totes. All the way on the bottom there's a tag, the Loewe tag. I think it has a number and then it's made in Spain. So the sales associate was demoing it in terms of how you close it. You're just supposed to hit both sides, but you kind of have to do it pretty quickly. I'm still getting used to it because I don't really want to, I'm afraid of damaging it, but it is meant to fold. And so just like that, stores flat, and then you can just let the handles fold in like that. So it's the leather feels really good. It's very supple. And I should be doing at least some photos on Instagram, maybe some posts on how I style this, because I've used it once so far. I'm hoping to use it more this coming summer. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts.